Hey there, Birchouse friends, and welcome back. I hope you had a lovely Easter weekend. The Birchouse crew ended up on Sunday night with a nasty stomach virus that lasted through Monday and even a little bit into Tuesday. It wasn't until like 10 o'clock last night that I was feeling 100%. But it's Wednesday, we're back, and we're ready for this week's Hey Birchouse. So, this week's question comes to us from Mechafox, who asks, Hey Birchouse, have you ever made anything from a video game? And I had to tease my brain a little bit and try to remember if there was anything that I could recollect. And the only thing I could remember that I have a clear remembrance of that it comes directly from a video game are two items, and both of them come from the same video game. And one of them happens to be behind me right now, and that is this shield right here. You know what? Hold on.
A few moments later.
This is our recreation of a heater shield circa late 14th century, early 15th century, and it is painted with the livery from the city of Talmberg in Kingdom Come Deliverance. You know, when we made the shield, this was our first shield. This was the one that we were going to do our smash and bash test on. In fact, I'll put a link in the description to take you to the destruction test of the shield. It handled the test mightily. But when we did this, I had, at the time, was playing Kingdom Come, and I was like, oh, I really like that design. I really want to put that design on a shield. And so I put it on this one. Now, the other shield we did, we had our friends from the Swordsmanship Museum and Academy were preparing to do a heater shield, a sword and heater shield class, and asked us if we would make them a set of shields. And one of them they wanted painted with the Lords of Lipa crest from Kingdom Come Deliverance, and so we made them one with that crest. So those are the only two things I can remember making directly from a video game. We are, of course, a historical company, so we don't delve often into the world of pop culture, whether it's movies or shows or anime or video games. I do love all those things, but we just don't get a chance to delve into them very often. But if you ever have a suggestion for something that we could make from a piece of media, comment below and let us know. But these are the only two that come to mind. Maybe there's been something else that I've forgotten, but these are the only two that come to mind. Mechafox, that was a great question. Thank you so much for asking. If you ever have a question for Birchouse, comment below with Hey Birchouse, ask, and we'll answer in a future video. In the meantime, we'll see you all next Wednesday.
Welcome to Birchouse, where history meets the art. With due diligence we do our part, and here at Birchouse, let me implore.